Hi there, welcome to Lesson 2. I'm your lecturer Elaine from CVlounge. Today we are going to look at adding brushes and fonts. In your textbook is a nice explanation as well, but this video will take you through the steps. When beginning with Photoshop, you start with your basic brushes. View your brushes by selecting the brush tool and right-clicking on the canvas and selecting it from here. At the top, just below the File menu, there are settings you can choose to set the brush size, the brush hardness, and also the opacity. Opacity is to set something from its solid color, 100%, to lighter, to transparent, 0%. There are a lot of brushes to download from the internet for free. Let's go to Brush Lovers, for example, and let's download a set of flowers, or rather, floral. Search for it and download it. Once downloaded, go to where you stored them. Right-click on the downloaded file and click on Extract All. You can choose where you want it to be extracted to. A zip file is a compressed file. It lets you save more than one file into one compressed file that makes it easier to download or transfer. Now you can go into the folder where it extracted to and copy all the brushes with this icon. So you right-click and copy. Now you need to paste it on your computer in the following folder. Go to My Computer, C Drive, Program Files, Adobe, Adobe Photoshop, Presets, and Brushes. And then right-click and paste. Continue. And there you go, Floral Design 2. Once pasted in this folder, open your Photoshop and go to your brushes in the mini bar. If you have not set the brushes, up in your mini bar, do it now by going to Window, Brush Presets. Click on the icon that looks like a list and then click Load Brushes. Locate the folder where you paste your brush and click on the ones you added. All your new brushes should now be loaded into Photoshop. You can view this by right-clicking on your canvas and with your brush tool selected. You can also rotate your brush by going to your brush settings. From there, you can click on the circle image and drag it to rotate your brush. And you can also make your brush bigger or smaller by using the shortcuts on your keyboard. And there you go. Uploading of fonts are almost the same. You can also download fonts for free on the internet. Let's download an old vintage font. Once downloaded, locate it on your folders and right-click and extract all. Note that after you have extracted them, copy all the fonts with this icon. Right-click, copy. Now we are going to paste it in Windows Font folder. Go to My Computer, C Drive, Windows, right-click on the Fonts folder and paste it in here. It will ask if you want to install them. Just say yes. Remember to close Photoshop and reopen it for the fonts to take effect. Let's do this quickly. Let's make a new canvas to test our fonts. Select your text tool and let's type in our 3 words. Highlight them. Let's make them bigger. And select our new font from the drop-down list. And there you go. These new fonts will also be available on all other programs such as Microsoft Office. I hope you enjoyed it. Visit the lounge area for discussions with others. See you on the next lesson.